Drag that stool with you.
Yay.
So you have something to climb.
Here, let's move that. It's got plaster all over.
Wow. I get to be
Move
on
the
it.
board over. Right, now climb up here.
No, leave the board there.
Oh, that. I thought you wanted me to bring the board.
Those, right?
Yeah.
Okay, leave them there.
Uh-huh.
Okay, climb up top.
Great.
Now come over here in this section.
Great.
Now squat down. See if you can reach some of this stuff
Uh-huh.
and hand it to me.
Alright.
Alright?
Everything in there is going to come out.
Alright.
Except these two pieces of wood.
Alright. Hey, free nails if I purchase a track. Sorry, I meant 2 free nails. God, free nails keep on coming. Ow.
Here, just pile it right there.
Alright. I have a ton of nails for you. Any nails, I got them. Free nail. Oh, scrap nail.
Anything else in there you see?
Ow.
Nothing in there?
Free plastic. You know where that is?
Can you reach that gray box over there?
Yeah.
Leave it out too.
Oops.
You're fine. You're fine.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, that's fun.
The other stuff, I think we can access to that side.
Yeah.
Hey, look here and see.
And free glass if you want. I know.
Here's my saw.
I saw your saw.
Oh, there should be a knife in there too. Is there a knife in there? Right around the corner here?
Yep.
Yeah.
And a pencil.
Oh.
Yeah.
Couple knives.
I don't see anything back in the real corners.
I don't see anything else there.
We're cleaned out up to here. And it's plastered here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
The heck is more white than
I figured
ever?
all that we can access there from the side now.
I love it up here.
We
I
can.
just wanted to go up here.
So now we can get some cardboard and stapler.
Okay, you're just wanting to bring this out about level here?
Yeah, I think we're just
I found.
it like that.
Hey,
Right
Gerald.
there.
Okay.
I found a golden nail. All right, you two have fun. So yeah, This is
You
my-
know where the stapler's at?
that's my favorite. I
I'm gonna get
quickly
some
went
cardboard.
to from my from Monday to the best day. This is the best Tuesday. I found some cardboard if you guys need any. Yay. Yeah. One's bent. Okay, they're all bent. Except this. Oh no, that's bent there.
Okay, you can crawl out now.
Dang it. Yeah, it was fun.
Climb out. All right.
I get a pick. I'll get back to where we came in.
Maybe he ought to stay there to reach stapling along that side over there. We can't.
Okay.
Well, where he's at, you mean?
No. This is, you said it's going to fasten up to here, right?
No.
Oh, it
No.
goes under?
It's, we need another stapler. So,
Well, I can't find the one that staples the.
well, I'll go get one at this.
There's none down here either.
What?
There's none down here either.
Oh, no.
Ow.
No, I understand what you're saying.
Wasn't sure where it connected over on that side.
Well, I'm thinking we'll do that. We got to bring the road in, and we can staple there and kind of bring it at a slope, about 6 inches out. And then run the road right here. And then this is gonna be a bridge. Or tunnel, whatever, probably a bridge. Then we can slope down.
Jeez, my hands all white. Back to some work up here. Oh, there he is.
Is there anything I can do over here? Or?
My
Okay,
hands
here's what I'm gonna have you do, Sean.
Uh-huh.
When I hand you this,
Yes.
you're going to lay this right there, okay?
Alright.
Just like that, all right?
Alright.
All right.
Alright, so put it on this corner here. Alright. I wish I had my phone if I forgot to grab it.
This
It's pretty fun up here. I love it. There's some energies I can really go.
Here comes Sean.
Ooh, this feels weird. Okay. My hands are weak. It's like, Okay.
Pull it up toward you.
okay.
There you go.
Feels weird.
Now hold that right there.
Alright.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay.
You still let me hold this?
All right. We can get another piece in there.
How was I thinking about that?
Just one layer, 2 layers.
One layer of
That-
plaster.
That's one layer of
One
plaster.
plaster, needs a second coat of plaster.
Look at that.
One layer of cloth and then plaster over there.
Right. So it-
Trying to get some more of this.
second layer.
There's one down there. Hands.
Right here.
Let's see if I can get it.
We can get some of them strips.
Exactly.
Check.
Just the last
I rolled
fish
it.
on eating up here for a day. Should we got some more?
Huh?
You got one like
Well,
here
it's turning
down
the
here.
corner downtown, and the wind came through the building about 60 miles an hour.
Wow.
That turn, and it laid the trailer over. And then, of course,
That was a silly
traveling,
idea.
and I didn't stop right away. I drove it about 20 feet before I realized there's no trailer there. Where the hell's it at? Excuse me. Where's it at?
Hmm.
No, the club trailer or your trailer?
Club trailer.
What was in it?
Nothing. Nothing.
That's what it was.
That was the good part.
Yeah.
But
Hey, it's migrated.
the,
So here's the
put
I
that
came
down
in.
by the coal station.
Well, that's where I came in. There's some poles and rods.
Yeah.
Kellogg came by there one time.
All the time. That was a stupid design when they put that in there. Especially out of town boys don't realize it's that big sharp hairpin and they just take her and roll.
I moved again.
If they're going
And we do need to be careful of this extra hole
I think
here.
to have that intersection.
I heard that they are.
There's
Like I
that.
say, it's
Seen
been multiple.
dirt work out there to make it
Back
wider.
we can con his only firing. There I couldn't. I still just wouldn't know where to go because someone got there.
But I like what they've done with
Cinematic.
coming off of 135, going to 235, going that big new pup.
I love it up here.
That's nice.
Excuse me.
Hey, is that 25 miles or just
Guys.
about the same?
I'm not sure where we're all gonna.
Same thing